we're gonna taste this. Hello guys, welcome back to Dani's channel. Today, I'm gonna make cookies with the help of my mom's sister, Kathleen. Let's start now. Here are all of the ingredients. We have brown sugar and white sugar, and butter, you can check the recipe below. We have here the white sugar and brown sugar. Then you will put our butter. It's one. Oh no! 1 cup of butter. Okay, let's mix this together using our blender. What? Mixer. First, let's just Okay, so we have sugar and butter. The next one is... The next one is... What do we put next? Egg. We have the egg. Put it one at a time. Pour them. Pour the egg in. Oh, so your egg is swimming. So we now have the sugar, butter, and egg mixture. Now we're gonna add the vanilla. The vanilla looks like soy sauce. Yeah, but it smells good, right? And finally, the dry ingredients. Okay. Next batch. Go. You. No, you. Oh, blow it! Okay. Inubo ka na tuloy. Go. So guys, our dough is ready. And the last thing we're gonna do is add chocolate chips. No. Ganyan kadami yung chocolate chips. They're so yummy. And then, mix. Mix. Ito ano yun? Stop! Now our dough is ready. We are gonna scoop the dough and roll it and put it in the fridge. No, put it here and chill. Oh, enough na. Pag medyo bilog na, you can put it there. Hey, you're making it into a log! Ball na eh. Ooh, this looks like a ball to me. Put it there. Line them up. Oh, this one is better. You're getting the hang of it. Huh? So guys, here are the cookie balls, and now we're gonna chill it for a while while the oven is preheating. We'll see you in a while. Here is the cookie dough, and it's ready to cook. Now let's put the cookies in the oven for 10 minutes. See you later, guys.